Well, controversy after Nisha Singh, a municipal councillor of Gurgaon, was allegedly beaten and later arrested.
हमारी मम्मी पकड़ ली। किसने पकड़ा? पुलिस वालों ने।
Police on Saturday arrested Nisha in connection with Friday's mob violence during Hooda's demolition drive in Sector 47. She was produced before the duty magistrate late on Saturday night, after which she was sent to jail. Now, Nisha, a graduate from London Business School and a former Google employee, quit her job to join AAP last year. Now, police say she was arrested for provoking the mob and interfering in government work. Her bail hearing is expected today.
हमारी मम्मी पकड़ ली। किसने पकड़ा? पुलिस वालों ने।